Dickinson in western North Dakota is one of the largest oil-producing areas in the United States. Although this city has hail regularly, the city population has increased considerably in recent years due to the dramatic growth in the oil sector. A notable hailstorm in June 2016 was recorded by a local resident from a safe location. The hailstorm became even more ferocious when it was fueled by a storm with gust winds and thunderbolts. Although no casualties were reported, the economy was impacted severely. Most households requested compensation due to the serious level of property damage.